we are here in my chachi house. My, what you call this, father-in-law, father-in-law, brother house place here. You see, I was there before. Where is that Tariq? Tahir house ko ginasir? Before we go from that house, first we go there. Now we are here. And our place, our house is over there. Oh, hindi makita yung yung lugar namin. Ang daming mga houses. Oh, yan. Rawlakot City, this one, sir, no? Rawlakot City, that one. So we are here in Dani. This place is Dani. Where is that college, sir? Oh, this one for college. Oh. This one. That college, sir. Graduate college for women. Yan. Ito yung bahay nila, yung pinuntahan namin ngayon lang. Oh. Yung binisita namin yung mother niya, yung si Chachi. Kasi may sakit. Ito yung mga mga relatives din ito, brother. This is Nia's by house, Nasser. Okay. Nasser? Nia's by house, no? This one, no? This one also my husband cousin house, and also this one. Yan. New build this house. This one and also this one here. Because this one last year it's burned. This house yan, nasunog ito last year. Kaya they build another house. This Kati or Kata? Kati. Kati. Buffalo. Mashallah. Ay. Kitne dot din Dot Dot kitne. Bakri. Mashallah kitne. Oh, mashallah dia bakri Fatma. One only. For Korbani this one?
No, for eating.
For eating? Tadut kitne din this? Do?
10-12 kilo din.
Mashallah. Where you sell this meal?
No, too many.
Rawlakot here only neighbor. There also, there is buffalo there. There.